Thursday, September 8th, and it's almost 10:30, so I'm getting ready to run, but I wanted to give you guys an update before I got started on my day today. So yesterday I went to class and I was able to represent the presentation I was working on last week. Some of the feedback that she gave me, basically, was to change the layout. I need to work on my title. Like, this is practice for my real thesis defense that will be in March of next year. So every week I'm basically improving on my presentation. So I had some time to work on it before class, and I will enter some clips of me working on it.
All right, friends, so I thought it would be fun if I did a voiceover and kind of explained what I was doing with this process. So a couple things. First, I don't know if I'm going to be using samples from cadavers that are affected by COVID. That's just because I don't know what type of cadavers they have at the body farm, and I wasn't able to go collect the samples myself, so I just have to wait until they send them to me and they get here, so I'll know for sure. The second thing is my advisor told me to focus on the epinecrotic communities and the necrobiome while I'm doing my background research. And basically, the postmortem human microbiome is divided into 4 sections: the thanatono microbiome, epinecrotic communities, the necrobiome, and soil microbial communities. So during my undergrad years, I focused on the thanatono microbiome because that is my advisor's research. She is the pioneer for it, and I decided to do it during my undergrad. But as a graduate student, I want to expand my portfolio so that when I do my applications, I have a range of different things on it. So I am focusing on the epinecrotic communities, the necrobiome, and also the soil microbiome because I am using grave soil. So that is just a bit of information about the background of my thesis. And as it develops more, I'll share more with you guys, but that's all I wanted to share for now.
As I said, I'll give you guys a more in-depth explanation of what that means and really more detailed information on my thesis as I'm working on it, but at the moment, I gotta run. But I do have to go to the lab today. I will be running some more test protocols and assisting the undergrad student with running her protocol as well. So you guys will probably be able to see a couple clips here and there, but for now, that's the update that I wanted to give. I don't know when the next update's gonna be because of course I'm unorganized like that. But the next update will probably be us talking about schools and the practicality of what I'm going to apply to and when. So we'll get there hopefully later today because I will be getting my desktop, and then we can sit down and really have a conversation then. But for now, I need to go make my smoothie so I have something to eat, pack my lunchbox, and get ready to go. I will see you guys sometime later. ago. But of course my samples again did not come out today. Lovely. But I can tell it's getting a little bit better because all of my concentrations are a lot higher. This is still really bad. All these numbers are actually terrible. However, it's a lot better than yesterday or whatever day I came in here last. So last time I came in here, okay, we can see that the concentrations were like negative 173, right? 178, 175. And the concentrations were really high in the 2s and below 1. Here, the concentrations are still in the negatives, but they are a lot higher. This concentration was bad. I didn't write down 4. Yeah, all these concentrations were bad. Regardless, they were a lot higher, but they're still in the negatives. My 260 over 280 is still bad, and my 260 over 230 is still bad. So it just means that I have a lot of humic acid somewhere in here, and I need to figure out how to get it out. And I could have some RNA and protein contamination in some of these samples. So more troubleshooting of my protocol, but yeah, just wanted to give you all that update. Hey friends, it is Friday the 9th. I think it's the 9th, but it's the end of a week. I think this is probably like my first full week in the lab, I would say, and I'm very proud of myself. I cracked my protocol today. Go me. I still have to go back into the lab next week to run my protocol with one of my teachers just to make sure that it's the kit that I'm using and not the protocol as to why I have such a high humic acid content. That's why my stuff is not coming out, because if I were to send it off and try to get the PCR done, it's not going to work. So it's the weekend. I'm just going to take the weekend to chill, send out some emails. I got my desktop, so I need to get that set up as well. But other than that, I really don't have any more updates. I'm just really super proud of myself, and I'm going to allow myself a day to chill and enjoy my weekend. It's raining and gross outside, so I won't be going to the gym today. Yay me. I'm going to stay inside the house for the rest of the day. But yeah, I wanted to share that update with you guys. And this journey is coming along because early in this week, I was getting nothing but negative numbers and no DNA. Today, I got some DNA. So I also want to say that I got a new sample today, a new soil sample. I went outside and got some soil from under one of the trash cans that were near one of the dorms. And I did this because my teacher specifically told me that you want dirty soil. I know that sounds crazy because all dirt is dirty, right? All soil is dirty. But this one specifically has microbes in it because, you know, under a trash can, a lot of things get thrown in the trash can. A lot of things miss the trash can. A lot of things leak out the trash can. Mold, you got stuff rotting in there, the bugs come through, but all of that produces a lot of microbes that go into the soil. So that will give me some sort of DNA when I extract it, like I did today. So that is a step in the right direction of figuring out my thesis. So I'm very happy. And I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. I will see you guys next week, hopefully with some more information regarding my project. But I'm still waiting on my samples to come in. My classmate, her samples came in today, and she's doing bugs. So she has a bunch of larvae. Ugh. But I'm very excited. A very good day. And I'm just happy to end this week on a high note because I wasn't going to go into the lab today. But I did. And I'm proud of myself. And I feel like a scientist. And I feel like I know what I'm doing. Yay me. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. And I will see y'all next week. Bye, guys.